Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Choice watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration. And once you find it, tap on it, and here look for the option called vibration intensity. It's going to be at the bottom. Tap on it, and right here we have three levels of vibration intensity. You have none, standard, and strong. None, if you select this one, the vibration will be completely disabled. The watch won't vibrate. Standard is this more weaker one basically, and the strong is the strongest one. I don't know if you can hear the difference on the microphone, but standard and strong. And once you're done selecting the one you like, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.